Morning students, today we'll be going to start class 10th lesson 6 life process topic human excretory system. It is a biology chapter. In this we will be going to study about human excretory system, the different organs of excretion, structure of kidney, structure and function of nephron, artificial kidney, and excretion in plants. So before that, we should understand what is excretion. It is the biological process of removal of harmful nitrogenous metabolic waste from the body. The human excretory system includes certain organs that eliminate the waste such as salts, carbon dioxide, urea, uric acid, and water, and various toxins which are dissolved in water by the body during homeostasis. Homeostasis is the mechanism by which the body maintains the temperature. Now we'll be going to study about different excretory organs present in human excretory system. In human excretory system, a pair of kidney is present which is filtering the blood. A pair of ureter is present which carries the urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is the sac-like structure that is storing urine until micturition. Micturition is the act by which the urine is removed from the body through urethra. Urethra is helping in the expulsion of urine out of the body, and this act of expulsion of urine is called micturition. Now we'll study about the structure of kidney. Kidney is a bean-shaped structure which is located on either side of the backbone and are protected by the ribs and muscles of the back. The outer layer of the kidney is called capsule, and inside the kidney there are two zones. The outer zone is called cortex and the inner zone is called medulla. Now we'll be going to study the structure and the function of nephron. So basically in one kidney there are millions of nephron present, and therefore the structural and functional unit of kidney is called nephron, which is actually helping in the filtration of the blood. Each nephron has two parts: glomerulus, which is consisting of a bunch of capillaries which are bringing blood; renal tubule, which starts with a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule, and this encloses the glomerulus. Henle's loop has an ascending and descending limb. Ascending loop continues as distal convoluted tubule of many nephrons open into the collecting duct. This is the structure of a typical nephron, in which there is a cup-like structure which is called as the Bowman's capsule, as you can see. Then the red thing which is present inside the cup is the network of capillaries which is called as glomerulus, and the U-shaped structure is called as the Henle's loop, which is having two limbs. One is the descending limb and the other is the ascending limb, and this is covered by the blood vessels through which the filtration of the blood occurs. And then there is a collecting duct in which the urine is collected. So during the formation of urine, the nephron involves following steps. First step is glomerular filtration, and this is also called as ultrafiltration. It is the primary step in urine formation, and in this process, the excess fluid and waste product from the kidney are filtered out of the blood into the urine collection tubule of the kidney and eliminated out of the body. The amount of filtrate produced by the kidney every minute is known as glomerular filtration rate. Second step in urine formation is tubular reabsorption. It is also called as selective reabsorption. It is the absorption of ions, molecules such as sodium ions, glucose, amino acid, water, etc. Water involves passive absorption while glucose and sodium ions are absorbed by an active process. Third step in urine formation is the secretion. Potassium ions, hydrogen ions and ammonia are secreted out to maintain the equilibrium between the body fluids. So all these three processes leads to the formation of urine. So now we should know what is the composition of urine. So basically urine mainly is having water. Why water? Because water is a good solvent. So many of the toxins, they are dissolved in water, and toxins such as you can say urea, uric acid, chloride, sodium ions, potassium ion and many other organic and inorganic compounds, they are dissolved in the water, which are not good for the health and are removed out of the body in the form of the urine through urethra. Now in the some people, we have since two kidney. In cases one kidney fails, then there is other kidney which can do the filtration of the blood and help in the removal of the toxins. But in very severe cases, people they undergo the failure of both kidneys. In that case, until they didn't find the donor, until that process for filtration of the blood, they had to undergo the process of dialysis. And this is the dialysis machine by which the filtration and purification of the blood is done. This balances the fluids and electrolytes when the kidney stops functioning, and it is used to treat people suffering from kidney disorders. So in this machine, the blood is filtered and it takes place around 6 to 8 hours to filter the blood. So in the persons whose both kidneys are failed, or if they are not working properly, then a person has to undergo for this dialysis. In a week, they are advised to have dialysis twice or at least once. So this was the excretion about the animals. As animals are excreting, plants are also producing some of the waste products. So the main waste product which is produced by the plant during photosynthesis is oxygen. Oxygen which is produced during photosynthesis is waste for the plant, but it is life-saving for us. So this is the waste product which can be removed from the plant by the stomata or simple diffusion process. Then excess of water is removed by transpiration. Some waste products may get stored in leaves which fall off, and many waste products are stored in vacuoles. Some waste products are stored as resins and gums in old xylem, and plant also excrete some waste material into the soil around them. Based on these explanation, there is a home assignment for you. Based on your understanding, all of you are supposed to attend these questions and draw the diagram of nephron and the human excretory system. Thank you very much.